wanted to show you this really cute and fun Beyblade stadium. So this is what it looks like. You have like your clear plastic part on the top and then the blue on the bottom. So all the stadiums, they're basically all these vibrant different colors, and they all could look different, whether it's the shape of it or the color. So this is what it looks like. This one's a little bit more oval compared to other ones. This is the design on the inside that goes around. And then this one is actually different too, because this is actually at a tilt, as you can see. So this one's actually at a tilt. So you have your green up here and then you have your blue on the bottom. And so this one basically goes like in a circular motion when you have your blades in it. But yeah, this one's a lot of fun. They are different depending on the stadium. But yeah, super fun. And you can find this online, or you can look up a few different ones too. And each little stadium do come with Beyblades as well.